Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher, and I would like to welcome you in this moral science class. Dear students, today we are going to start lesson number 5. So let's begin the class. Here, lesson number 5 it is given. In today's class, we are going to discuss this story, and today we will do all the question answer. So here it is given, with some food in him, Kibomi has more energy and moves faster. When he ran from his village, he felt mostly fear and anger. Now he is beginning to recover the good feelings he has always had about people. So what here it is explained, that with some food, because he has not eaten for 2 days anything, and now he has eaten some sweet potatoes which was given by that old Kungu man. So now Kibumi is feeling more energy and now he moves faster than previous. Okay, when Kibomi he has run from his village, that time mostly he was feeling the fear and anger. Okay, because why fear? He was afraid that maybe Kungu people will kill him also. Because of that he was afraid, and he was angry also that why they have killed his parents. So when he ran from his village, that time he was mostly feeling the fear and anger, but now he started to he beginning to recover the good feelings he had always had about people. Whatever he was having the feeling before, that old previous feeling, now he started to recover his previous feeling. Okay, the old man was a Kungu, but he was kind and wise. He shared his food. The words he spoke were beautiful and full of hope. Okay, we have to make choices. We were created to love, not to hate. So why that he started, why the Kibomi he started to recover his old feeling? Because when he met that old Kungu man, the old old man, he was although the Kungu, but what happened, he was kind and wise towards Kibomi. What he has done, he has shared his food with Kibomi, and the words he spoke, it was full of hope. Okay, and he said that we have choices. We are created to love, not to hate. So we should not hate people, we should love people. Okay, so because of that, when he met with the old Kungu man, then Kibomi starts recovering his old feelings. Whatever he was having old feelings about the world, that to make this world a beautiful place. Okay, so he, that old feeling he starts recovering again. So this, now the next paragraph, Kibomi continues to follow the river towards Nangata, because Kibomi he has to go to Nangata. So what he is doing, he is continuously he is following the river, that next to the river he is walking. Okay, towards Nangata. After walking for a while, he hears voices and quickly hides behind a large tree. When he was walking, he hears some noise. So when he hears some noise, so what he is doing, quickly he is hiding behind a large tree. A large tree was there. Behind that large tree he hides himself, because he thought maybe who's coming. So he hides himself behind a large tree. A group of young men are approaching. So what he's saying, he's saying that a group of young men, some young peoples are there, they are approaching, they are walking, they are coming towards him. They are speaking the Adumbu language, and those people who were the young people, group of young people, they were speaking which language? Adumbu language. Kibomi is happy to hear his language and slowly steps out from behind the tree. So when he heard that Adumbu language, so he thought, he felt very good, he became happy, and so what happened, what he did, he slowly he steps out behind the tree. From the behind the tree he comes out, he steps out. The men were wearing uniforms. Okay, the all the people, they were wearing the uniforms. They are the soldiers of Adumbu rival army. Who were they? They were the soldiers of Adumbu rival army. Means what happened? Like Kungu, he has killed many people. So the Adumbu people also, they have gathered some soldiers. They become the rival army to take the revenge. Okay. So they were the Adumbu rival army. Some of them are quite young and one looks like same age as Kibomi. And some that people, they were very quite young and one of them is like at the age of Kibomi only. Okay, the soldiers stop as soon as they see him and hold up their guns. As soon as they have seen the Kibomi, so all the soldiers they stop there and they hold their gun towards Kibomi. Wait, says Kibomi, I am Adumbu like you. Then Kibomi is saying that wait, I am Adumbu like you. I am not the Kungu, I am Adumbu like you. What are you doing out here alone? Asked his leader impatiently. The leader of the Adumbu rival army, he impatiently he asked, what are you doing here alone? The Kungu attracted The Kungu attacked our village and killed my parents. I had to run away. Answer Kibomi. Kibomi is answering that the Kungu people they have attacked at our village and they have killed my parents and I have to run from there because of that I am here alone. And the leaders he says, come and join us then. The leader of that army, rival army, he said that then what you are waiting for alone, what will you do? So come and join us then. You should join us. We must teach the Kungu a lesson. Make them pay for what they did to your family. So now it is time. So we must teach Kungu a lesson and we must make them realize that what they have done. So we must pay for them. Okay, what they did to your family. So it is time to take revenge. So come and join us and take revenge. So that leader is inviting Kibomi to join the rival army. Kibomi is tempted. He thinks a little and is about to accept. Now Kibomi is feeling tempted. Tempted means, what is meaning of tempt? Tempted. Meaning of tempt is to provoke someone. To provoke someone to do something. Okay, like suppose what is happening, sometime if anything is there, so we are asking some other people to do something and we are giving some, like see, I am giving one example. Suppose at your house your parents are not there. Okay, they have gone somewhere and you and your brother and sisters are there at the house and you are the elder among them. So what happened, the parent has given responsibility to you that you don't have to go anywhere, you have to be at your house only. Okay, so when your parent has gone, what you have done, you have left your house and you have gone to your friend's house, and when the time was there to return back your parent, you came back. Now you are afraid that maybe that your younger brother or sister, he or she will say to the parent that bhaiya was not here or my didi was not here. So what you are doing, you are tempting your younger children, younger brother and sister. You are giving some chocolate and telling that not to tell. So this is also called the tempt, means provoking someone to do something. Okay, so now Kibomi is feeling tempted, that he is being tempted that to join the rebel army. Okay, he thinks a little, he thinks a little and is about to accept. He thinks for some time and he was about to accept that invitation, that he wanted to join the rebel army. The boy soldiers come forward and extends to him his hands. The younger one, the youngest, that soldier, the boy soldier who was about the age of Kibomi, he came forward and extends to his hands towards Kibomi, that come and join us. Kibomi looks into his eyes and is disturbed by the despair he sees in them. So what is happening when he sees that eyes of that young soldier, that boy soldier? So what he is finding, that in his eyes there is despair. Despair. What is meaning of despair? Despair means that it is called out of hope, means without hope. That is called despair. In Hindi it is called nirasa. Okay, so he finds the despair in his eyes. So because of that, what happened? Kibomi, he hesitates. That at beginning he was tempted and he was about to accept the invitation to join the rebel army, but now he hesitates. That he feels that now he should not join. I may join you later. He is saying that I may join you later. He says with voice shaking, with shaking voice he says that I may join you later, but now I must go and find my sister. He is saying that I have to find my sister, so first let me find my sister. I may join you later. Afterwards I may join you. Okay, as the soldiers walk away, one turns and says, remember, fighting back is the only way. Okay, and Kibomi does not answer. While going, when the soldiers they starts walking away from there, so one of them turned and says to Kibomi, remember that fighting back is only the way, that we must fight, that is the only way. But Kibomi does not answer anything about this. So in this manner, we have completed this parts of the story. Now doing the question answer. So question number 1, first question it is given here, question number 1, that what did Kibomi feel when he left his village? When the Kibomi left his village, so what he feel? So the answer is Kibomi felt fear and anger when he left his village. Okay, when Kibomi left his village, that time he feel fear and anger. Now the next question, question number 2, it is given, why was his feeling changed after seeing the old man? When he saw the old man, so why his feeling changed? So the answer is his feeling changed after seeing the old man because the old man was a Kungu, but he was kind towards Kibomi and shared his food with Kibomi. The words he spoke were beautiful and full of hope. Because of that, what happened? Kibomi's feeling changed. Question number 3, why does Kibomi hide behind the tree? So the answer is Kibomi hides behind the tree because he hears voices of some people. He is hearing some voices, because of that he hides. Question number 4, who are the young men in uniform that he meets? The young men in uniforms are soldiers of the Adumbu rebel army. Question number 5, what does the leader ask Kibomi to do? Does the leader ask Kibomi to do? The leader asks Kibomi to join the Adumbu rebel army. Okay. Question 6, what does Kibomi see in the eyes of the boy soldier? The answer is Kibomi sees despair in the eyes of the boy soldier. Okay, so this is all question answer we have done. Now today's assignment, do the question and answer of lesson 5 in your copy and learn nicely. Whatever question just now we have discussed, all those question answer you have to complete in your copy in very good beautiful handwriting, and then after you have to learn all the question answer. Next is the read the lesson 5 nicely and try to understand. Lesson 5 again you will read very nicely, okay, and understand it. So this is homework. Now that's all for today's class. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a nice day.